simple, compound and complex sentence. We will see what is a simple sentence. Simple sentence is nothing but main class. Already we have seen this one. Simple sentence. Simple sentence is called as a principal class or main class or independent class. We have seen the structure of the simple class. Simple sentence with or without phrase, subject, with or without phrase and subject, verb, again with or without phrase or object or complement. This is a simple sentence. For example, hearing the news, we felt happy. Hearing the news, we felt happy. Here, hearing the news is a phrase. Hearing the news is a phrase. Phrase is a group of words. It is a group of words. It does not have subject and verb. It is a group of words. It does not have subject and verb. This is a class. This is a class. Because class has subject, verb. Here happy is a complement. Without phrase, with or without phrase. Here with phrase, subject, verb, then it is a complement. So this is called as a simple sentence. Without phrase or with phrase. Here the sentence, it is a phrase, subject, verb with complement. So it is called as a simple sentence. It is called as a simple sentence, or else you can call as a independent class, or else you can call as a main class. Next we will see what is a compound sentence. What is a compound sentence? Compound sentence. Here the structure for the compound sentence is same thing. Two main classes. Already I gave the structure for the main class. Two main classes joined by coordinate conjunction. Two main classes are joined by coordinate conjunction. What are the coordinate conjunction? Are, but, and, yet, still. These are all coordinate otherwise, and so. These are the coordinate conjunction. Two main classes are connecting by coordinate conjunction is called as a compound sentence. Here we will change the same simple sentence into compound sentence. We heard the news. We heard the news. And so. Adan karanamaga. And so. Or else and. We felt happy. This is a compound sentence. We will see according to the structure. We is a subject. Heard is a verb. The news is a object. So it is called as a main class. Subject, verb with object. It is called as a main class. Here we is a subject. Felt is a verb. Happy is a complement. Felt is a verb. Happy is a complement. This is another main class. Main class. We felt happy is a. These two main classes connecting by coordinate conjunction is either unso or and. We heard the news. Adan karanamaga we felt happy. Or else we heard the news and we felt happy. It is one main class. It is another main class. These two main classes are connecting by the coordinate conjunction unso or on. Here is one main class. Here is another main class. These two main classes are connecting by the coordinate conjunction is called as a compound sentence. Compound sentence has two main classes. Compound sentence has how many classes? Two main classes. Next see what is a complex sentence. Next one we'll see complex sentence. What is a complex sentence? Two classes are here. One is main class. One is main class. Another one is a subordinate class. Another one is called as a subordinate class. Subordinate class. The compound sentence has two main classes, but complex sentence has one main class with one subordinate class. One main class with one subordinate class is called as a complex sentence. Here the same thing. When we heard the news. When we heard the news. When we heard the news, we felt happy. We felt what? We felt happy. Here, when is a subordinate conjunction. Already I told what is the structure for the subordinate class. Once again to warming up, what is the main class structure? Main class structure is with or without phrase, then subject, verb, with or without, with or without, object or complement. So this is a structure for the main class. Already I told for you, you know very well. Then subordinate structure is connective. All the subordinate class starts with connective. Connective. That is a subordinate conjunction. Connective. Subject. Verb. Again with or without phrase or object or complement. So this is a structure for the subordinate class. What I told already, complex sentence must have one main class with one subordinate class. When we heard the news, we felt happy. It is a complex sentence. How? When is subordinate connective. When is a subordinate connective. I told already all the WH is called as a connective. So it is a connective. It is a connective or subordinate conjunction. We is a subject. Heard is a verb. The news is a object. So it is subordinate class. It is subordinate class. Again, we is a subject. Felt is a verb. Happy is a complement. It is a main class. It is a main class. So one subordinate class with one main class is called as a complex sentence. It is called as a complex sentence. So this subordinate class, here it occupies the subject place. The subordinate class is occupies in the subject place. Here it is a main class. Where is duster? I do not know where she or he has gone. I do not know where he has gone. I is a subject. Do not know is a verb. Do not know is a verb. Here it is a main class. I do not know is a main class. Where is a connective. That means subordinate connective. Then he is a subject. Has gone is a verb. It is a subordinate class. It is a subordinate class. Could I get the chalk marks? Subordinate class. Thank you. It is a main class. It is a main class. Here, first main class, second one subordinate class. Here, first subordinate class, second one is main class. So, what is this one? Subordinate class will come either in the beginning of the sentence or at the end of the sentence. Subordinate class will come either in the beginning of the sentence or else it is the end of the sentence. So, now you know what is a simple sentence, compound sentence and complex sentence. Simple sentence, it has one subject, on verb, with or without, phrase, object or complement. Then compound sentence, two main classes are joined by coordinate conjunction or otherwise and also this is called as a compound, what is that? Coordinate conjunction. These two main classes are connecting by coordinate conjunction. It is called as a compound sentence. Then complex sentence. Complex sentence, it has one main class with one subordinate class. The subordinate class will come either in the beginning of the sentence or else at the end of the sentence. I know very well. Today you are completely thorough. What is simple sentence, compound sentence and complex sentence. Next class we will see what is the noun class. Thank you.